arms and legs in the boat at all times. Parents, watch children. Children, take moments with your parents. Just imagine they were your age once upon a time. Oh, that's scary, isn't it? Oh, look on the right there. Some signs of danger there. Anyone, shout out to answer. Why is the signs of danger so very, very important? All capital letters. That's a great point at the end there, of course. Up on the left, the snake is on the ball. Not go on my boat. The dream comes through. Great. All right, everyone, get ready. Look to the left-hand side of the boat. Look to the left-hand side of the boat. You're going to see a 500-pound tiger. He's able 50 feet, 14 feet away, just deep right of the boat. On the left-hand side of the boat, look at them cobras. Some say that cobras are poisonous. Cobras are not poisonous, they're venomous. Now look up ahead there. Remember, elephants never forget. There's elephants in the world famous jungle fish that are in our boat. It's almost unheard of. They're catching all in the waterfall, that is Bertha. Bertha's a happiest police elephant in the jungle. Aren't you, Bertha? In the water right there, that's little squirt. Squirt my boat. Big squirt, you may not squirt the boat. What are you doing, Big Squirt? I have guests on board. Don't trust Big Squirt. Right next side of the boat, look out. Look out, everybody. Look out, look out! I guess into banana country, so everyone keep your eyes peeled. We're looking for the sneaky gorilla. The sneaky gorilla doesn't like turning front yield coated bananas with anyone. Up ahead there, that's White's Falls. I'll keep the boat up a little bit. We'll make a right-hand turn and we're going to go down the Nile River. Hand signal. Right hand. That way. Good prayer, folks. Good prayer. The Nile River is one of the longest rivers in the world. Niles and Niles and Niles. If you don't believe me, you're just in denial. Now, over on the left-hand side of the boat, it's the largest, tallest, mightiest beast in the jungle. That's the African tail elephant. He stands about 10 feet at the shoulder. He says he's trying to get some bait across the river. Now, shout out to answer if you know it. How do you make an elephant float? Lots of ice cream. African belt with a V. Great African belt, also called grass. Old fashioned season. And those brown things over there, I think they're new. Look at the little baby. Look at them lions. Protecting the sleeping zebra. But you can't see that goes dead. Tired. Dead tired. Means you're ready to boat.
Look at the babies.
And over on the right hand side of the boat, that's something you don't see every day. Look, it's a million rocks. Everyone, look to the left-hand side of the boat. You're going to say, oh dear, oh dear. The right-hand side of the boat, oh tree, oh tree. Oh, look up ahead there. Oh no, some hippo capsized one of our boats. I'm not going to let that happen to this boat. I'll use my gun to scare them off, so everyone cover your ears.
Why is there actual ducks?
Cover your ears. Look, the monkey's coming to one of our boats. He's got a microphone. Let me steer to the right-hand side. Let's see what he has to say. Look, what's in our teeth? He's the happy one is that. Oh, look at the butterflies on the left. Them butterflies ain't what they used to be. Caterpillars. what you've all been waiting for. It's the 8th wonder of the world. It's all the backside of water. Chant with me. 028, yeah.
028,
yeah.
028,
yeah.
028,
Yeah! Yeah! If that's the backside of water, everyone looks to the right. That's the front side of the rock. Ooh, I should have told my jokes. I think I was stranded. All the fronts are asleep. Oh, the big snake in the tree there. He's H-I-S-S-I-N-G. No, junkers will be complete. Skippers, skip shot. All the skippers recommend getting caps because we all know about capsizing. On the left-hand side of the boat is a sporting elephant named Ellie. Oh no, we're not left because Ellie's hurt. This is the most dangerous part of our drunk cruise experience. It's called the return to civilization. So please be seated at all times. Keep your hands arms and legs in the boat at all times. Everyone, this side of the boat is the dock side of the boat. You're an expert in the middle of the boat. Everyone, this side of the boat is junk side of the boat. Stand up and all base next to the rear of the boat. Please wait until the boat comes to the floor. Please stop. We'll tell you when it's safe to disembark. Do we have any birthdays on board? Birthday today? When? Soon? Oh yeah? No birthdays, huh? Okay. Well, let's see what Ellie has to say over here on the left. Hurry, Ellie, get ready. Get ready, Ellie. Now, Ellie, now! Ellie doesn't obey. Well, if you enjoyed the show, I'm your skipper. If you didn't, never mind.